If you follow Sadhguru, you probably must have heard this. Stop believing, start seeking. In today's video, let's see what's wrong with this. Okay, let's start by defining these two words, belief and knowledge. Belief. What is it to believe something? Well, most contemporary philosophers define belief as the propositional attitude of truth. Proposition is just the underlying meaning of a sentence or assertion. Propositional attitude is a mental state of having some attitude or take about a proposition, like hope, fear, doubt, and belief. The important thing to notice here is the proposition could actually be false. Simply put, belief is nothing but mentally accepting that the proposition is true. I mean, if the proposition is true, it is a true belief, or if it is false, it is a false belief. Don't forget, people always have false beliefs. Now, coming to knowledge. As per the traditional definition, knowledge is defined as justified true belief. And it goes like this: S knows that P, if and only if P is true. S believes that P. S is justified in believing that P. So, if you see here, you can't know that something if you don't believe that something. Unlike belief, you can only know that proposition if that proposition is true. You can have a false belief, but you can't have a false knowledge. So if the earth is flat is false, we can have a false belief that the earth is flat, but we can't know that the earth is flat. Finally, what I'm trying to say is that knowledge is a subset of belief, or we can say knowledge is dependent on belief. Coming to the main issue, what's wrong with this most famous idea of Sadhguru? Stop believing, start seeking. I'll tell you three things that are wrong with this idea, or I'll say a belief. Firstly, this sentence doesn't make any sense. It's because everyone believes something. People always believe things. For example, you and I believe that the sun rises next day in the morning. Or a child that goes to school believes that he'll be home with his parents after the school ends. Or the person that's going to sleep believes that he's going to wake up the next day. I mean, believing things is something you do every day involuntarily. And the second point, this statement is self defeating. I'll tell you how. When he asks us not to believe but to seek, he expects us to believe that seeking without believing is the right thing to do. You see the problem here? If you agree with Sadhguru, you actually believe that one must not believe but should seek. So, should we believe what Sadhguru says about believing is true? So, if you want to see some good examples of self defeating statements like this one, I'll put a link in the description below. You can check that out. Finally, the third point is Sadhguru misunderstands what seeking means. It seems like he's assuming when you're seeking the truth, you don't need to believe anything. But in order to be a seeker, you need to be a believer. Before you start seeking whatever that is, you must believe that there is a purpose in why you seek. Even a Hindu website called Gita Daily clearly states what I'm exactly trying to say here. You can get this link in the description below. It says here, whenever we seek anything, we believe at the very least that something worth seeking exists and that we have the capacity to find it. Exactly. What Sadhguru might be doing here is he's categorizing all beliefs as blind beliefs, which is not really true. Believing blindly means not having any good reasons for what you believe. He says in his website, when you say I believe, you're fundamentally saying I'm unwilling to admit that I do not know. As we saw earlier in this video, this is simply a wrong understanding of belief. The correct statement would be, when you say I believe but not able to justify your belief, then you are fundamentally saying I am unwilling to admit that I do not know. To conclude, believing does not necessarily mean not knowing. Till now, you have seen what's wrong with this idea. So, whenever you say that believers are not intelligent but seekers are, just remember that you're also believing what you just said is true. That's it for this video, guys. If you believe what I said is correct and if you like my video, please share this to others, or if you believe that my analysis was not right, please comment what's wrong with my video. Either way, you believe something. Thank you for watching.